Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to set up another Instagram account with the same email. Let's get started. In order to do that, let's head over right here to our actual free profile icon. And then in here, just click on your name. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see this. So click on this add Instagram account. Then click on this create new account right here. And then from in here, it will show you this. So just put in here the username that you want to use. So for example, let's put in here how to. And then just put in here that. And then in here, it will actually load in order to see if this one available. So click on this next. Then just put in here a password. So I'll head over and then put in here a password, or you can also suggest a strong password with this one. So just put in here a strong password that you can use in here. From there, click on next. And then in here, you can see it will welcome you. So in here, you can see this will add the email and phone number from Tiara Princess, which is the account that we have earlier. From in there, just click on this complete sign up right there, and then from in there you should be able to sign up with another Instagram account with the same email. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.